I don't remember when last time I had that much fun. Oh, it's funny. Well, watch one face turn happy, angry, surprised, then sad. Then it's sync all from one photo. This is AvatarX from JoggAI. Today, I build an avatar from scratch, switch emotions live, test side profiles, lip syncing, and finish with a singing demo. Let's jump in. I'm Vladimir from Geekatplay and was invited to beta test AvatarX from JoggAI. This video is sponsored, but the build, test, and opinions are mine. Goal today, a copy and paste workflow to create avatars that look cinematic and it's read like real people. AvatarX is JoggAI's newest model focused on expressivity and versatility. Upload one photo, no technical skill required, and get a hyper-realistic avatar, controllable across multiple emotions, happy, angry, surprised, sad, and way more. The same face can shift to cartoons, anime, 3D, or artistic look, with a perfect lip syncing for speech and sign, even side profile. I start with talking photos for the fast result. Uploaded a front-facing photo, select Avatar X, paste your line, pick a voice, set the emotions. Watch for the brows, eyes, and mouth corners. Avatar X doesn't just move lips, it's act the line. Photo to avatar bakes an expressiveness. Important to remember that multi-emotion generation need a front-facing human photo. Once unlocked, I keep a small set, a happy, angry, surprised set, ready to reuse across all of my projects. Same identity, different worlds, use realistic for trust and instructions, 3D, anime, if you want to be a viral or brand mascot. Well, let's create photo to the avatar, because it's nice when you upload a photo and create it, but you can pre-build your avatars and use them all the time. So for this, we'll go inside the avatars, and right here you can click create avatar. We're going to use the photo from avatar with the newest Avatar X. Let's upload our photo. From there, we can select different voices. Here, you can also create a multiple. For example, we have a neutral, we have a disgust, happy, and notice I selecting a different. So I can pre-select a collection of them to use it later. All done, click generate avatars. After this, you should have a very good collection. After you create your avatar, you can also customize this. For example, going in the looks, same, generate one that I already pre-created and have it all these different types of look, lifestyle, outdoor, studio, wherever you like it. Let me show a few examples. Here, for example, outdoor.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
And here inside
Welcome
the
to the
office.
future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
Notice how the mouse changed, and it is based on my photo. We can even have it a 3D animation, drawing all different type of the avatars. And you probably already noticed some of them horizontal, some of them vertical, depending on what type of the media you are targeting. Beside managing looks, you can also manage different voices. And if you notice, some of my avatars were speaking like Mr. Burns from The Simpsons, some were speaking with English accent, some with a Russian accent. So you can pre-build those your custom avatars that you can use it later to create a branding campaign, sing the song, tell the story.
I am very happy, man. Yes, I am. Thank you for watching this video. And if you subscribe, I will love you that much.
For singing, I use avatar video and upload a clean vocal. Match the emotions to the music. Phrases become instantly more believable. Here's the side profile test. Watch JoggAI consonants and vowel shapes. Avatar X tracking them cleanly without drifting. You are hearing Avatar X track my lips to the music. Timing clocks to the vocals for natural phrasing. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, Look up in sky and see. I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy. Because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. In a way the winds blow doesn't really matter to me, to me. Entertainment in social build an AI influencers that sing and react with real emotions. Content and educations turn script into expressive host for courses and podcasts. Emotions shift boost to watch time. Business and marketing launch a virtual brand ambassador for the ads, live streams, and product explainers. Consistence on branding always available. To get cinematic result, use a sharp front-facing source with neutral light. Match emotions to your script or music. Feed a clean vocal or a clean TTS voice. Choose the style by goal. Realistic for credibility, anime 3D for reach. For the site profiles, pick lyrics with a crisp syllables. Save preset so series stay consistent. If you want to try this now, AvatarX is fully launched. Links down in the description. When you post, be sure to tag @JoggAI and use hashtags like #JoggAI, #AvatarX. I want to see what you build. Share your creation. Post a 10-second side profile line with emotion switch. I'll feature in my favorites in the next video. I'm sure we're not finished here. I'm really enjoying this tool. In the next videos, I'm probably going to implement this more inside of my videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please put a like, subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you next time in our new adventures. Goodbye.
Albert Einstein once said, "Don't trust everything you see on the internet. And if you don't believe me, just Google it."